Hey there, first grade. How's everybody doing today? And welcome back to another remote learning math lesson with Mr. Enzi. Today, you are going to need your double 10 frame math mat placed right inside your sheet protector so that you can use the double 10 frame math mat as we practice more of our near doubles facts. You will also need your math journal today. So make sure you have your red math journal nearby, along with your double 10 frame placed inside of its sheet protector. While you're getting that stuff ready, I'm going to go ahead and shrink myself into the corner. Today, we are going to be doing grade 1, lesson 6.5. Recording near doubles strategies. You will need your double 10 frame math mat placed inside your sheet protector. And you will also need your math journal. And we're going to be doing page 119 together a little bit later on in this video. So let's go ahead and let's start with our math message. Remember that our math message is our warm-up. It's a way for us to get ready to do some math today. Now you can write these answers right on your sheet protector. It says to record 2 doubles facts that can help you solve 5 plus 6. The other day we learned about doubles facts that could help us solve near doubles. See if you can write down 2 doubles facts that will help us solve 5 plus 6. Remember that I like to take a look at that number 5 and turn that into a doubles fact. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then I like to take that number 6, that other addend in my fact, and I like to make another doubles fact. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Now these 2 doubles facts can help me to solve 5 plus 6. If 5 plus 5 is 10, 5 plus 6 is a double plus 1 more, and that would give me 11. 6 plus 6 is 12. 5 plus 6 is a doubles minus 1. 12 minus 1 gives us 11. So we can take a near doubles fact. We can use the addends that make up those numbers, and we can turn them into doubles facts that will help us solve the problem. Awesome job. Go ahead and clear off your sheet protector. Let's take a look at our first problem here. Our first problem is going to show us some dots on a double 10 frame. I'm going to remove the covering and show you the double 10 frame. I want you to try to quickly draw the dots that you see. Now, remember, you're not going to have a lot of time, so you're going to want to try to see what those dots look like before you draw them into your double 10 frame. If you can write the fact that you see, and it will be a near doubles fact, go ahead and write that fact at the bottom of your sheet protector. Here we go. Eyes on the screen. Ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Draw those dots. Oh, whew, that was quick. Were you able to see the dots and draw what you saw? Let's take a look. In our very first 10 frame, we have an entire column filled up. That means we have 5. In the other 10 frame, we have 1 less than 5. We have 4 dots. So we have a fact of 5 plus 4. Now that's a near doubles fact. Well, I want you to write the helper doubles facts for that fact. Remember what we do. We take the number 5 and we use it to make a doubles fact. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then we take the other addend, the other number in our addition fact, and we use it to make the other doubles fact. 4 plus 4 equals 8. But this problem isn't 5 plus 5, and it's not 4 plus 4. It comes in the middle. It's 5 plus 4. It's a double plus 1 or a double minus 1. Our answer is, well, we can count every single dot, or we can use our helper facts to figure out that 5 plus 4 is 1 less than 10, and it equals the number 9. Awesome job. Let's clear off our sheet protector and try another one. Here we go. Same type of activity. I'm going to remove the covering and show you a double 10 frame. See if you can draw the dots that you see. Here we go. Eyes on the screen. Draw those dots. Did you get those dots quick enough? Let's take a look and see if you are able to draw them. In our very first 10 frame, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. So I'm going to write my fact right underneath my double 10 frames, 6. On my other 10 frame, I have 1 less than 6. There's 1 missing. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 plus 5. Now I want to take a look at some of my doubles facts that I can use to be a helper. It's called a helper doubles fact. Well, I could take that very first addend, the number 6, and I can turn it into a doubles. 6 plus 6. We know that that equals 12. My other addend is the number 5. So we can take that 5 and turn it into a helper doubles fact. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now, our problem isn't 5 plus 5, and it's not 6 plus 6. It's 6 plus 5. I can count all of those dots to find my answer, or I can think. It's just 1 less than 6 plus 6. And if 6 plus 6 equals 12, 1 less than 12 is 11. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. Awesome job. Go ahead and clear off your sheet protector. Let's try another one. This time, you're going to write the dots, draw the dots that you see. Here we go. Eyes on the screen. We'll see if you're quick enough this time. Ready? And draw the dots that you see. Boy, that was quick. Did you get the dots down in time? If not, here it is again for you to take a look at. How many dots were there in our very first 10 frame? In our first 10 frame, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. In our next 10 frame, I didn't even need to count. I have 1 more than 6. See, here's 6, and here's 6 in this 10 frame. So I knew there's 1 more than 6, and 1 more than 6 is the number 7. So now the question becomes, What doubles facts can we use to help us solve the near double? Well, we just take a look at our addends. My very first addend is 6, so I can turn that into 6 plus 6 equals 12. My other addend is the number 7. So I can take the number 7 and turn that into doubles facts. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Now you can see why it's so important to know our doubles facts. Now my near doubles facts isn't 6 plus 6, and it's not 7 plus 7. It's 6 plus 7. Well, if 6 plus 6 is 12, 6 plus 7 is a double fact, plus 1 more. Here's our 6 plus 6 equals 12. 1 more would give us 13. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Awesome job. All right, first grade, we are going to be moving into our math journal where we are going to do a page together. The page that we are going to do is page number 119. 119. I wrote that page number down at the top of the screen so that you can find that page. Now, if you need more time to find the page, you can go ahead and hit that pause button because we're ready to get started. Remember to put the date right here in the box at the top. This page is called Using Near Doubles to Solve Stories. Solve 2 different ways. Record your strategies using words and numbers. Ooh, I like this. Let's see what our first story says. I have 5 pencils in my desk and 7 pencils in my backpack. How many pencils do I have all together? Well, let's think about this. 5 plus 7. I'm going to go ahead and write my number model. 5 plus 7 equals, I know that I can use one of these numbers for my helper fact. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5 plus 5 equals 10. That's going to be my helper fact. If 5 plus 5 equals 10, well, I don't have 5 plus 5. I have 5 plus 7. That's 2 more than 5 plus 5. What's 2 more than 10? 10 in the rock, 11, 12. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Tell how you used the helper fact to find the answer. So let's go ahead and write how we used the helper fact. Here's what I'm going to write. You might want to copy this down. 5 plus 7 is doubles plus 2. Five plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So we used a helper fact to solve the near doubles. 5 plus 5 is a doubles fact plus 2 more. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. And 10 plus 2 more equals 12. That's one way we could solve that problem. Now there's another way that we can solve that problem. It asks us how could we solve it using a second way. Well, I'm going to go ahead and write down that number model. It was 5 plus 7. We already used 5 plus 5. So now I'm going to take the other number and make 7 plus 7. What's 7 plus 7 equal? Well, 7 plus 7 is 14. Now, this fact that we have to solve isn't 7 plus 7. It's 2 less than 7 plus 7. The number 5 is 2 smaller than the number 7. So this is a doubles minus 2. So let's tell how we could solve this. Here we go. Here's what Mr. Renzi is going to write. You might want to copy it down. So I'm going to write 5 plus 7 is doubles minus 2. And if 7 plus 7 equals 14, 14 minus 2 equals, count back 2 from the number 14, 13, 12. So 5 plus 7 equals 12. So when we had to solve the number model 5 plus 7, we could use 5 plus 5 to help us, or we could use 7 plus 7 to help us. This time it wasn't doubles plus 1. This time it was doubles plus 2. And it wasn't doubles minus 1. It was doubles minus 2, because the number 7 and the number 5 are 2 away on a number line. They're close to being doubles, but not that close. Awesome job, first grade. Today, we did some quick card activities. We drew some dots on our double 10 frame. We wrote down some near doubles facts. And then we wrote down some helper double facts. And we also did a math journal page together. But now it's your turn. You're going to have some activities to complete in Seesaw. And I can't wait to see how smart you are.